Welcome to Computer Hobbyists. This is episode number 1 of Beginner's Mac Tips, and today we're going to be showing the Mac Calculator app. You're probably saying, why are you showing just a simple calculator? It's not a simple calculator. It's got a lot of features. It is the best calculator that's included with a computer. You may get some apps that are better, but it's pretty good. So let's take a look at it. First thing is we got to launch it. I keep mine in the dock down here, but if you don't have it down there, you can just go to Launchpad. Let me get out of that and go to calculator, and calculator comes up and it looks real simple to you, but let's get into it. You'll see what I mean once we get into it. So we got like 5 plus 5, that's the usual thing. So let's say we put in a number like 2653, and we actually meant to go to 265. Well, in normal calculators you have to click that and type 265 again. On this, you can, if you accidentally type 2653, you can hit the delete key on your keyboard and delete the extra digits you accidentally added in. So the green button here does something interesting. Click on that and it becomes a scientific calculator, and it's got most of the scientific features you would want, but there's actually more than just this. If you hit the shift key, the sines become arc sines, cosines become arc cosines, etc. It's got quite a few different features, and it's got log of y when you click shift too. Notice normally on the normal screen it's log of 10, and you click shift, it gives you log of 2, which is useful in computer science. So this isn't the only calculator on here. Let's go to view. Up here you got the basic, which we showed. You got the scientific, which we just showed. Now here's my favorite, the programmatical calculator. What's cool about this is, let's say we put in a number 56 and it's in base 10. We want to know what it is in octal. You just click the 8 here. It's 70 in octal. Or if you want hexadecimal, you click the 16 here. And down here you can see it's printed in binary too on the screen, which is awesome. And you can do, as far as your binary numbers, you can do ands, ors, nors, xors, shift bits to the left, shift bits to the right. Here, let's shift them to the left, shift them to the right, move them to the left, y bits, so let's go 2, and make some more numbers up here, shift them to the right, 2, there you go. And it's got a byte flip too. So if you have like this number here, in hexadecimal 2258, you can hit a byte flip and it flips the bytes. And there's a word flip too. I think the word flip you have to have more digits. Let's see, 2, 3. Yeah, there you go. So there's your word flip. And what's really cool here, it has 2's complement and 1's complement, which is awesome. And as you can see, when you leave your mouse above the key for a certain period of time, let's try that one, it tells you what the key does, which is awesome. And here's another great feature. If you're like a retro programmer, this is definitely going to come in handy, even if you're a modern programmer. It's got some other interesting things. If you want to know what ASCII code 56 means, oops, let's get to base 10, 56, you'll just click ASCII here, and it shows you it's 56 stands for 8. Let's see what 120 stands for in ASCII. In ASCII, that's X, and Unicode, it's X2. And you can hide the binary numbers here if you want to. And there's more to this calculator than this still. Let's go to View Basic. And let's say I want to know how many PSI 200 bar is. We'll go to Convert, and then we'll go to Pressure, and bars to pounds per square inch. In scuba diving, this is an important calculation. If you happen to be using metric equipment, you're going to need to know this. So 200 bar is approximately 2,900 psi. I always forget how much a kilogram is, so let's see what 1 kilogram is. Go to weights and masses. 1 kilogram, I convert it to pounds, so 1 kilogram is 2.2 pounds, which is awesome. And you can do temperature too. Let's say someone tells us it's 15 degrees Celsius. Convert, go to temperature, Celsius to Fahrenheit. So we know that's 59 degrees Fahrenheit. These are some of the main features of the calculator. There's actually more to it than this. If you want to see the additional features, just go to help here and go to calculator help, and it brings up the full user guide. You should look through there because there's more features than what I showed here. Thanks for watching and have a good evening.